Introduction. Anyone who has tried to generate huge profits from Amazon has run into one problem after another. It is no secret. Trying to profit from Amazon is extremely difficult if you do not know what you are doing. It is no wonder that most people who try to at least make a profit from Amazon just give up. But the truth is, finally being able to create a conversion-proven Amazon affiliate site ready to generate some awesome commissions on complete autopilot is much closer than you think. If you want to know how I was able to generate some awesome commissions from Amazon, well, this is it. And trust me, this solution is likely going to frustrate you. Not because it does not work, but because you will be shocked at how simple it is. I honestly could not believe it myself. Here's what you'll learn inside. What's Amazon.com all about? 7 important elements to consider that you did not know about Amazon before. How do you make money with Amazon as an affiliate? What is an Amazon affiliate? How do you become an Amazon affiliate? How do you make money with Amazon as an affiliate? Why Amazon affiliate marketing is your best choice. The top 4 reasons why Amazon affiliate marketing is the best choice for you. Picking a hot Amazon niche. 3 proven strategies for finding out the type of niche products that are going to make you the most money as an affiliate. Selecting some hot products to promote. Here we are going to show you step by step the strategy behind selecting the hottest products in your niche. Creating an Amazon affiliate website. Here we will start tinkering with the technical aspects of getting your Amazon affiliate business up and running with just a few clicks. Creating product-oriented content. 4 easy-to-apply strategies for creating awesome product-oriented content for your affiliate sites. Creating your Amazon Associates account. Step-by-step walkthrough for creating your Amazon Associates account without failing in the process. Linking your Amazon affiliate links. How to funnel people from your content all the way through the Amazon Marketplace. Promoting your Amazon affiliate website, Part 1. The most successful methods to promote your Amazon affiliate websites. Promoting your Amazon affiliate website, Part 2. 6 online tools that can help you to promote your Amazon affiliate website without having to worry about going over budget. Building an Amazon affiliate empire the right way. 6 elements that have allowed many people to leave their day jobs by building successful Amazon affiliate businesses. Amazon native shopping ads, Amazon native shopping ads step-by-step crash course. Embedding an Amazon A-store into Facebook. Step-by-step guide for embedding an Amazon A-store into Facebook without spending hours doing so. Other Amazon affiliate marketing strategies to consider. 5 additional strategies that will allow you to go above and beyond your current Amazon affiliate efforts, and much, much more to your success.